Honor has launched its new affordable smartphone under X series in China called Honor X70, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X70 features a tall 6.79-inch 1.5K resolution display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 6000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, paired with Adreno 810 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM, and 128, 256, or 512 GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Honor X70 sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear, with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 8,300 mAh battery, with 80 watts wired, and 80 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15, based on Magic OS 9 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.9 by 76.1 by 7.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 193 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor X70 has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in vermilion red, bamboo green, moon shadow white, and magic night black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X70 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.